I now have what I consider my pretty much perfect setup for a new blend file. So going through it, if I do a file, new, general, don't save the current one, then there are at least two things here that are important. One is that the object gizmo is available, insofar as it has all of its options, move, rotate, scale, available without me changing anything once I start up. And the second thing, and that was achieved through just briefly changing the default blend file. And the second thing is screencast keys. Those are enabled because automatically there is more than one screencast provider, I think. So I've gone to edit preferences. We have screencast keys. It's this person Nutty on GitHub that we want. If you Google GitHub and Nutty, you'll find the right one, and turn on enable on startup.